Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and you are watching here my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week, and this is now a quick 5-minute TA for Bitcoin. What's going on? What's going on with this big dump? Here you can see everything you need for trading, and on the downside we have this daily chart picture. If we are opening up this daily chart picture, we can see some interesting stuff. We saw a triangle, and yes, we broke down this triangle to the downside. Guys, here are the next things we have to watch now. You can see it here. The next thing we have to watch since this downbreak of this triangle is this Fibonacci line. This is the lowest point since this point here. 30,000 is the big target for the first breakdown here. The next thing is, if you're zooming out a little bit more, you can see we are in a big downtrend, guys, and the bottom of the downtrend is about 26,000. Depends always where we will hit this line. And guys, the technical target for breaking down this triangle is 23,000. So that's the next big thing now. What's going on with Bitcoin? And one thing is, guys, look at this. We are really near the death cross. You can see these two MA lines here, MA200, MA50. And if these two lines will cross, we will see a death cross, and that's the next big bad thing for Bitcoin. So for the moment, everything is looking not so nice for Bitcoin. What is telling us the MACD? Let's check this one here on the daily chart. The MACD, I think it's really bearish if you are watching the MACD. No, for the moment it's bullish. Look on the downside. Here's the blue line, a little bit over the brown line. It is bullish for the moment, but it's really possible to see a really fast cross, and this would mean it's also a really bad sign for Bitcoin. So the next thing we have to watch. So let's go deeper now. Let's go in the 4-hour chart. Let's go in this one here. Here's the 4-hour chart picture. Every candle is here 4 hours. And you can also see the triangle, the breakdown of the triangle to the downside and this downtrend. And on the 4-hour chart, you can see it really nice. We are acting in this downtrend. Really nice. We saw a spike under this downtrend, and now we're back in this downtrend. And for me, guys, the next big thing is maybe we can see a little upgoing Bitcoin now. We have to watch this line. This is the middle line of the downtrend, this line here. And this is maybe the next thing we can see Bitcoin maybe jump on this point, 34,000. Depends always where Bitcoin will hit this line. And then it is very interesting if it will going down more and more. We should see, or we will see this. On the downside, we can see the MACD, and the MACD is bearish. The blue line is under the brown line. That's not so good for the moment. Okay, let's go in the 1-hour chart. Here is the 1-hour chart picture, and guys, I showed you this M pattern here. It played out very perfectly. We saw a breakdown here under this trend line, under the triangle, and now a downgoing Bitcoin. Maybe we are building a little bottom here. And on the downside, you can see the RSI. The RSI was a perfect thing to watch for the breakdown, because I showed you this green line now, and on this green line the RSI broke down completely, and this was a nice point for selling. Here you can see the sell signal. Also, this was the perfect point for sell Bitcoin, and now it's going down. RSI is for the moment oversold here. You can see it's on 31 point, but it's oversold. It was on 18 points, 20 points, and now RSI is oversold. We may see a little bottom here. Very interesting. Okay, let's go back and let's watch the 15-minute chart. Here's the 15-minute chart, and we can see it here really nice. We see a sideways going Bitcoin. We can see a sell, a buy, a sell, and buy. It's really hard to trade for the moment on the 15-minute chart, but you can see the ribbon band. This red ribbon band is a big resistance. We have to fight against the resistance on the 15-minute chart. From the upside is coming the EMA 200. This is our big resistance, but we have a long way up to this. The ribbon band is the first big resistance. On the downside here, you can see MACD is bullish. Blue line is over the brown line. This is maybe a nice momentum. A little upgoing Bitcoin is possible, but the resistance is really hard here with the ribbon band. The ribbon band is really important, guys. I made a video about the ribbon band yesterday, and I think it's really important on every time frame to watch the ribbon band here. Also on the 1-hour chart, you can see the ribbon band here on my live stream. This is the big resistance, and now Bitcoin is fighting with this. For me personally, it's looking like a little diamond. If we are watching the 15-minute chart again, we can see it here. Let's zoom in a little bit more, And guys, you know it, if you are a trader, a diamond pattern is a really nice thing for trading, because a diamond pattern is stuff like this here, a line from the downside, from here to this here. And we also can see on the right side from the highest point here over this point here to this one here, and the next line from the downside to this point here. And now you can see it's forming a diamond, not a perfect diamond, but it's forming a diamond. And guys, if we are breaking out to the upside of this diamond, we have a really, really nice target. But also if we will break down of this diamond, we have a really bad target. The diamond pattern has a target from the highest point here to this point here. And if we are breaking down here with the diamond pattern, we have a really bad target to the downside about, let me check this point here, 31,700. If we can break out to the upside, this would be a nice little trade position here for a price about, here it is, for a price about 34,200. These are the maybe possible targets in the short term here on the 50-minute chart, if this little diamond pattern will break out to the upside or to the downside. Guys, this video is too long, 6 minutes. Thank you very much for watching. This is a tuber update for Bitcoin. Every day a new video from your BITI or Bitcoin Trading Informant. And guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short from here. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Please visit my live stream. And guys, thank you very much for watching. Big greetings to Crypto Sharknado. He's the new boss of my channel. So bye-bye.
System activated.